Okay, I'm standing here right above of Tešnja in Bosnia and Herzegovina. It's a top location for mineral water, top quality mineral water in the world. I brought with me oasa and Kislyak. Both were award winners. It's a Berkeley Water Tasting Award in West Virginia. And Bosnian mineral waters, they make every year one of the top ranks in this contest, in this award, and last year 4 times of the first 5 ranks. And Oasa won this award 2 times the gold medal, and Kislyak won the silver medal. So, but they are just a example of the long list of award winners in this contest. Besides the top quality of Bosnian mineral water in Tešnja, because Tešnja is the top spot in Bosnia and Herzegovina, Tešnja is a very nice place to do vacation and to have a good time. It has a very nice old town, so maybe next time stop by, you will have a very good time. Okay, bye.